In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Udemy account password on desktop. First, open your browser and go to udemy.com. Sign into your account the way you normally do. Make sure you're on the official website and that the address bar shows the secure padlock, since you're about to work with sensitive information. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a photo. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down, choose Account Settings or Security, depending on the label you see. Both options lead you to the area where you manage your personal details and security preferences. On the Settings page, scroll until you find the Password section. It's typically grouped with other security options. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where you are, then focus on the password fields. Start by typing your current password. This confirms that it's really you making the change. Next, enter your new password. Aim for something strong and unique. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess. If your browser or a password manager suggests a strong password, that can be a helpful option. Double-check for typos, and keep an eye on any strength indicators or guidelines on the page so your new password meets the requirements. When you're confident everything looks right, click Change Password to save the update. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation on the screen letting you know the change was successful. If you get an error, it usually means the current password wasn't entered correctly, or the new one didn't meet the criteria. Carefully re-enter the details and try again. That's all you need to do to update your password from a desktop. For your security, consider storing the new password in a trusted password manager and avoid reusing it on other sites. Also, remember to keep your browser updated and sign out when you're done using shared computers. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you're making the change and take your time to ensure accuracy. Keeping your password strong and up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your account.